previously on Dr. K. Of 3 people, you can squeeze in 5 or 6. We can easily squeeze in our peppers with our cucumbers. Now this is what I have done. So have a look. In the front, I got my peppers, my cheese. Hello and welcome back to Dr. K. What do I like? Berrss, cucumbers. And as you saw my previous video, and there's a link in the description on how I manage my space with my chilies in the front and cucumbers on the back. So let's see how they are doing today. And you see the cucumbers are like, they're from the family of Spider-Man. They like to crawl, they can climb, as you see out here. See this one? It's like climbing the fence. It's got the swings and they tie themselves to whatever they find and they climb the fence. And check out my cucumbers. There's a big one out here. I think I harvested some there. There's some out here. There's one out here. There's one out there. Ooh, look at that. There's quite a few out there. There's a whole heap out there. Lots out here. What's happening here? If you remember last time they were just so small. They were all grown up. Look at this. Almost ready. More out here, and I'll show you this one, which is now going to meet my neighbor. So as you see, he started from here, climbed up this whole thing. It's there, and now it's going there. See, it's going on the tree. So my neighbor, my lucky neighbor, is going to get some cucumbers. And let's see, there's some more out here. They're all over the place. They're all over the place. There's one baby one out here. Let it fall. Ooh, oh, look at that. That's Berrss, cucumbers. Ooh, look over there. They're all over the place. Look, one on the fence. Where there's a will, there's a cucumber. You can grow lots of cucumbers. And while we are here, have a look at my wildfire chilies. They grow in abundance out here. Let's have a look out here. Starting from here. Have a look. Here we go. Ooh, lots of them. They get camouflage because they are green with the greens. It's hard to find them. They are not the red chilies. But yeah, so chilies in the front, cucumbers at the back. Now let's see how my telegraphic cucumbers are doing. I promised to make a follow-up video, and let's see how they are doing today. These are my telegraphic cucumbers growing in pots. They are just 3 weeks old. These are like, as if they are on steroids. They grow like they are, yeah, on some protein shakes, some steroids. They grow so fast. And my plan is to get them onto the lawn, and there they go. And I'll make another video in 3 weeks, and you'll see them crawling all over the last time they were just out here, and now look where they have been. I previously thought I will let them crawl all the way to my lemon tree, but I had other ideas, so I'm just going to let them climb. Because climbing is what they do. Check this out. Ooh, look at that. Look at the grip. I had to provide them some help, like you can use your pegs. But check this Spider-Man out here. Ooh. Swings the web. Check this out. Check this out. Oh my god. Check this out. Check this. This one will be climbing here. They'll be climbing all the way up and giving me a lot of Berrss, cucumbers. And what's happening out here? My capsicum, my peppers, they're all ready. They're ready to harvest. And my small baby capsicum tree, look at them, so many capsicums out here. And I got some out here as well. Ooh. So there you go. You can grow your cucumbers wherever you want. You can even clip them if you want them smaller and bushier. This variety is the Berrss variety. Sorry, that one is the Berrss variety, and this one is my favorite, the telegraphic variety. So there you go. Berrss, cucumbers. Yeah.